Hello, my friends. Welcome to your deep stretch yoga practice done all laying on your back for your hips. Welcome to your practice. Let's begin. If you have a yoga strap, it could be useful to you in this practice, although it is not necessary. So if you want to grab a strap or something strap-like, go ahead and do that now. And when you are ready, we will begin on our backs in Savasana. As you lay back, rest your arms at your sides. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath into your nose. Open your mouth, exhale. One more. Big breath in. Out. Begin to breathe all through your nose. Create a steady, even rhythm of breathing. Turn your head from side to side. Through center. Point your toes forward. Inhale, reach your arms up over your head behind you. Reach long. Exhale, hug your right knee into your chest. Grab it with your hands. As you pull your knee in, move your right foot. Roll it in circles, point and flex. With an inhale, reach back out. Send your right leg long, arms over your head. Exhale, hug your left knee in. Grab with your hands, pull tightly, and move your left foot, rolling your ankle, wiggle your toes. Inhale, reach out, leg long, arms overhead. Exhale, hug your right knee into your chest again. Grab with your hands. This time, lift your head, bring your face towards your knee. Inhale, reach back out, leg long, arms overhead. Exhale, pull your left knee in. Squeeze, lift your head, little ball. Reach out, inhale. Exhale, hug both your knees in. Squeeze, lift your head. Now keep your knees in, lower your head down, reach your arms out wide. We'll take a twist. Drop your knees over to the left towards the floor, where you're sleeping dog. And then turn your head the other way to the right. Legs back through center, switch sides. Legs right, head left. Legs through center. Set your feet about hip width apart on your mat, arms at your sides. Bridge, lift your hips up, inhale. Exhale, lower your hips down. Two more, hips up, inhale. Lower, exhale. One more, inhale. Exhale. Reach your right leg straight up towards the ceiling. Point your toes. Now lower your right leg down, hover it just above the floor, and sweep your leg side to side, just a little back and forth. Right leg straight back up. Place your hands to the back of your right leg, pull your leg in closer. Now flex your ankle so the toes pull towards you. Try to work your knees straighter as you breathe. Figure for your right leg. Bend your right knee, cross right ankle over left thigh, arms out wide. Windshield wiper your leg side to side. Your right knee might touch the floor one way, your right foot the other. Legs through center. Keep this shape as you reach your hands either behind your left thigh or the front of your left shin to hug this whole shape into you. Your head could be up or down. Keep this shape. Release your left foot to the floor. Backwards lotus. Bring your right foot underneath your left leg. So sneak it under. Your left hand will grab your foot and try to pull it all the way under the left hip. Your right knee goes forward and down. And straighten your left leg out in front of you. Interlace your fingers behind the back of your head. Side bend to the left by scooching your upper body around to the left side. Getting your right elbow to point a bit more back. Settle into the shape. Consciously move your breath. Walk your upper body back through the center. Reach your arms straight out wide to your sides. First, bend your left knee, left foot to the floor. Then unravel your right leg straight up to the ceiling. Eagle your legs, right leg tightly over left, either once or twice. Twist by dropping your knees left. Turn your head right. Legs through center, uncross, and set both your feet down. Arms at your sides. Bridge, inhale, lift your hips up high. Exhale, lower your hips down. Left leg straight up towards the ceiling, point your toes. And with your legs straight, lower down, hover just above the floor. Sweep your legs side to side. Left leg straight back up, hands to the back of your thigh. Flex your ankles, you pull the leg in towards you. Option to walk your hands up towards the foot. And work your knees straighter as you breathe. Figure 4, cross the left ankle over right thigh. Arms out wide. Windshield wiper this shape side to side. Center. Reach your hands either behind your right thigh or the front of your shin to pull this whole shape into you. Release your right foot down to your mat. Backwards lotus. Bring your left foot under your right leg. Your right hand grabs your foot and pull it under your right hip. Left knee goes forward and down. Straighten your right leg out in front of you. Interlace your fingers behind the back of your head. Side bend to the right. Scooch around to the side. Notice length through the left side of your body. Breathe into that space. Walk your upper body through center, arms out wide. Bend your right knee, right foot to the floor. Unravel your left leg straight up to the ceiling. Eagle your legs, left leg tightly over right once or twice. Twist, take your knees right towards the floor. Turn your head left. Legs through center, uncross. Feet hip width apart. Arms at your sides. Bridge. Lift your hips. This time keep them lifted. With your arms straight, interlace your fingers underneath you and walk your arms in closer. Press down to lift your hips. Release your hands, lower your hips. Reach your arms straight out wide to your sides. And keep your knees bent and take your feet out the width of your mat, or at least wider than your hips. Windshield wiper your knees from side to side. As your knees go one way, turn your head the other. Next time both your knees go to the right, let them stay dropped in that direction. Turn your head left. Option to place your right foot on your outer left knee for a little weight to pull down. Release your foot from your knee, knees through center. Make sure your feet are still wide and we switch sides. Knees left, head right. Left foot on outer right knee is your option. Release, legs through center. Now toe heel your feet in till they're touching. Cross at just your ankles. So right ankle in front of left and let your knees go out wide. Cactus your arms out to the sides. Bend your elbows, so almost like goalpost arms. Stay here or infinity arms. Simply hold opposite elbows overhead. Choose what feels best in your body. Find stillness. Steadily move your breath. Switch the cross of your ankles, left in front of right. And if you have arms overhead here like I do, you can switch which form is on top and settle right back in. Release your arms out wide and bring them down by your sides. Set your feet down, hip width apart on the mat. Now this is where if you want a strap, you can use it here. You'll reach your right leg straight up towards the ceiling. If you have a strap or something strap-like, you can loop it under the bottom of your right foot. Hold the strap. Otherwise, take your first 2 fingers and wrap them inside your big toes. And if your knee's not all the way straight here, that's okay. You're just working it straighter. Once you're situated, slide your left leg straight out in front of you on your mat. Take your right leg out wide to the right towards the floor. Balancing your body, trying to bring the right leg down and your left hip down. Right leg straight back up. For a moment, lift your head, your upper back. Pull the leg in a little closer. Lower your head. Take your left hand either to your strap or outside your right leg. Right arm out wide. Twist. Guide your leg across your body to your left. Turn your head, look to your right. Right leg straight back up. Either both hands to your strap or to the back of your leg. Lift your head, your upper back. Release, lower your head, lower your right leg to the floor. Arms out wide. With your legs straight, walk them over to the left. Cross your right ankle on top of your left. Make sure both your hips are flat to the floor. Rest your left hand to your belly. Then bring your right arm somewhere higher overhead. Let it land wherever it's comfortable. Settle into the sound of your breath. Release your arms out wide. Walk your legs through center. Let your body rest in the middle. Deep breath into your nose. Open mouth, exhale. Point your toes forward. Inhale your arms up over your head. Exhale, hug your knees into your chest. Grab with your hands, lift your head face to knees. Lower your head, set your feet down. Reach your left leg straight up towards the ceiling. And if you're using a strap here, put the strap on the bottom of your foot. Or wrap your first 2 fingers inside your big toes. Once you have a hold, straighten your right leg out in front of you on the floor. Open your leg out to your left. Pay attention to any sensation you feel in your body as you move your breath. Left leg straight back up. For a moment, lift your head, your upper back. Lower your head. Right hand grabs your strap or reach outside your foot or leg. Left arm out wide. Take your twist. Guide your leg across your body to your right. Look to your left. Left leg straight back up. Both hands to your strap or behind your leg. Lift your head, your upper back. You can grab the foot, go for it. Lower your head, lower your leg, reach your arms out wide. With your legs straight, walk them to the right. Cross ankles, left over right. Make sure both your hips are flat to your mat. Rest your right hand to your belly. Bring your left arm somewhere higher overhead. Let it land. Be attentive to the sound of your breath. Reach your arms out wide, legs through center. Deep breath into your nose. Open mouth, exhale. Point your toes forward. Inhale your arms up over your head. Exhale, hug your knees into your chest. Grab with your hands, lift your head face to knees. Now keep your knees in, lower your head down, knees wide of your rib cage. Stay like this or happy baby. Reach for the outer edges of your feet. With your feet pointing up, rock side to side. Maybe straighten one leg at a time as you go back and forth, or like a straddle on your back, both legs out wide. Center. Supta Baddha Konasana. Set your feet to the floor. Rest the soles of your feet together, your knees wide. Place your right hand to your belly, your left hand to your heart. Close your eyes. Deep breath into your nose. Open mouth, exhale. One more. Big breath in. Big breath out. Final Savasana. Straighten your legs. Rest your arms at your sides with your palms up. Let your physical body settle into stillness. Let your breath return to its natural, effortless rhythm. Allow yourself to simply be in a quiet and still space, nourishing your body, your heart, your mind. Rest. Take a deep breath in. Exhale. Create small movement through your body. Point your toes forward. Inhale, reach your arms up over your head. Exhale, hug your knees into your chest. Grab with your hands, rock side to side. Roll to one side of your body. Rest your arms underneath your head. Just taking a few more moments on your side. Practicing the art of not being in a rush or hurry. Present, content in this moment. Lift up to a comfortable seated position. Arms at your sides. Inhale deeply, arms wide overhead. Reach up, look up. Exhale your hands to your heart center. Bow your head in the same direction as a simple gesture of gratitude. We close this practice together with a deep breath in. Big breath out. Thank you so much for practicing. Until next time, thank you.